Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying the energy cell model and firmware so the new module matches. That prevents incompatibility later. Next, power down the system and isolate the battery. This avoids sparks and data corruption. Put on insulated gloves and an ESD strap and gather a torque driver and multimeter. Once done, wait 2 to 5 minutes for residual charge to bleed from capacitors so you can safely open the housing. This initial care saves time and prevents damage during the upgrade. You now remove the old cell. Open the access panel and photograph cable routing and connector orientation to guide reassembly. Use the multimeter to measure open circuit voltage and check continuity on key traces because these readings tell you whether other components failed. Then loosen the mounting bolts to the specified torque and carefully extract the module. Avoid bending terminals. Once the module is free, inspect connectors and sealing gaskets for corrosion or damage, making notes for any parts you must replace. You install the replacement cell by seating it precisely, reconnecting cables in the photographed order, and torquing mounting bolts to specification to ensure proper thermal contact. Once connected, perform initial power-up tests. Verify open circuit voltage, run a short charge cycle, and monitor thermal sensors for hotspots. If readings are within expected ranges, close the panel and run a full calibration. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: immediately recheck wiring and connector seating and confirm firmware compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.